I have been waiting for this delivery for so long. Hopefully it does it say it anywhere? If it does, just make sure to block that out. Anyway, I thought this would come to the front door, but it didn't. So it's been sitting in my mailbox for days, and now I'm so f***ing excited. Shoot, I'm not supposed to swear. Okay. Anyway, let's do this. I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely was not expecting this because, like I said, I was just starting to think that it wasn't going to deliver. Because I'm still wearing PJs and my hair's not... Oh, there. My hair's not great. Oh, here it is. What's this? Oh, that's the delivery paper. Shutter Aqua. You guys get to see it before I do. Oh! Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Future Me. I just wanted to let you know that this is why I was so excited when I saw it for the first time, because it didn't show that it had the engravings on it, and I thought that that was a shutter wide angle exclusive thing. Anyway, back to the video. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does it come with this? Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. I don't want to rip the boxing. I don't know if you can tell. This is my first ever shutter. It's not a wide angle, it's just a regular shutter. Comes with a string. Tricks and Secrets poster. This is a poster? This is teaching me how to bind. Teaches me how to do the sleeper and the forward pass. I don't need any of that. Here it is. Oh, I thought it was damaged for a second. I don't know if you can hear that. The bearing started spinning. Oh man, this is so comfortable. What even is this? I literally have my last yo-yo right here. Oh, so for comparison, the carvings are quite thicker and bolder. This has a lot of laser engravings, but on the on Yo-Yo Factory, it didn't actually. I thought that I was getting one without the shutter lens and the signature. Let me see if this string is any good, because all of my other strings are kind of small. Does it have a pre-installed slip knot? No, it doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna set this string up. I'll be right back. So the string is actually pretty bumpy, and I'm actually not sure about the string, but dude, this yo-yo, the colors are amazing. It's so comfortable to hold too. Stringing this up for the first time, oh man. Gentrys, bro. Okay. Actually, let me adjust this to right here. This is the shutter. Ooh. Oh, that's so smooth. That's so incredible. That bind. Oh man. Oh man, those binds are so snappy. I really like the response pads in here. I feel like they make a lot of sense. Dude. The string paired with the response pads actually works really well for doing quick restarts, like my personal restart that I use, which I never see anyone else use. Looks like this, which I feel like is really underrated because it can get you a lot of power. And then if you do a restart, you're set. Even if you don't do a restart, dude, it's really smooth. It makes kind of a weird noise though. That'd probably be my only critique. There's like, not the actual spinning noise. Every now and again when you're doing the string trick, you'll hear a little like snappy noise. Also, it's a little bit snaggy, which I just now realized we should do. Oh man, that actually looks so good. Alright, so I'm gonna just let this yo-yo do its talking now, because I feel like you've heard enough of my voice, and then we'll wrap it up. And I'll give you my own personal opinion and its strengths in every different suit. So that is how it plays. It plays incredibly well. And, yeah, this is definitely a really, really good yo-yo. And I really love this. And I think it kind of counts for my first ever pro yo-yo, as my last ones were way yobos. But that does not mean that you should ever sleep on this yo-yo. It's amazing. It's relatively cheap. The weight distribution's amazing. And it's found on Amazon. But if you're looking for a really, really good pro throw, that rhymes, go for this one. I promise it won't let you down. For pros and noobs alike, plus the price tag's pretty good, coming in at $45. Yeah, it's incredible. I love this yo-yo already. And I can already tell that this is gonna be my main throw for at least a while. So in conclusion, my thoughts on this yo-yo are incredibly positive. But at the same time, there are some downfalls. Whenever you're finger spinning, if you don't get exactly in the center cup, your finger does not go into the center cup. It stays on the outside and it swirls the yo-yo out of motion. Now this could simply be avoided by just not getting it on the outside, but like that, it just spins out. Not good. Its grinds are really good though, once you are able to get them. Finger grinds are amazing. Finger spins are also really quite incredible. String tension, really high. And the string makes DNAs look really, really good and really smooth. I really love the string that came with, and I feel like all my last strings were really dull. But this string, I don't even know if it's supposed to be that good, but this is my first ever Yo-Yo Factory yo-yo, so yeah. Make sure not to sleep on this shutter. It's freaking amazing. Anyways, have an amazing day, you guys. This yo-yo's incredible, and it will definitely be a main part of my collection. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later!